friends, it's Miss Amelia at the Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to show you how to make this week's Take and Make kit, a bird nesting ball. Now birds, when they build their nest, that is their home. So when we're making this project today, we're helping them build their home to make it safe and sturdy and also kind of colorful. And you'll see what I mean by that when you look at the yarn in your kit. So you can pick up a kit to make one of these to hang outside at your house if you stop by the Columbus or Saluda Library this week and pick up a kit that has all of the materials to make this. All right. Inside your kit, you will have a wiffle ball. You will have some fluff, okay? We'll also have several pieces of yarn and one piece of raffia. Now we're going to tie our raffia on first because that's going to be the handle to hang our nesting ball in a tree or on the corner of our porch. And I'm going to take my raffia and thread it through one of the holes here and then tie a knot at the end. And you may need an adult to help you with this if you don't know how to tie a knot. But for our older kids, I know you probably know how to do this. All right, so we've got our knot in there, and I'm going to put the knot on the inside of our nesting ball. So that means the little tail from our knot is going to go on the inside so you can't see it. Now this is the part that hangs on the tree branch or wherever you're going to hang this outside. Next, we're going to put in some of this fluff. And when you're putting pieces in your nesting ball, you want to remember that whatever is being pulled out of the nesting ball by the bird needs to be light enough for the bird to carry. So we don't want to put a really long piece of heavy yarn in our nesting ball because the birds may not be able to carry that. So we're going to put in just little bits of our fluff, and you have to be very patient to stuff it into the wiffle ball. Okay, and you can see on my example, some of my materials are hanging outside of my nesting ball, and that's so that the birds can go ahead and pull those out to use on their nest. I'm going to put some more in there. Now my nesting ball is very colorful, so when you finish your nesting ball at home, you can use permanent markers. They will work the best to decorate this because it is going to be outside and possibly in the rain. So if you use a permanent marker, be sure to ask the adult that's with you if it's okay. The permanent marker will withstand the rain and the sunshine shining down on it. Okay, so I've put in some fluff. I may go back in a little bit and put some more, but now I'm going to add some yarn. And I'm going to take some scissors and cut my yarn in half because it's kind of a big piece. And I'm going to fluff out my yarn. So I'm going to pull it apart and make it fluffy. Because when birds make their nest, they weave twigs and leaves together in order to make it hold together. So this is going to be a perfect piece for a bird to use to hold their nest together. And then I'm going to stick it right inside my nesting ball. I'm going to do this with a lot of the other pieces, and you even have some other raffia in there that looks like natural material that birds would find outside in the woods. So you want to be sure to put that in your nesting ball too. And I hope you have fun watching the birds at your house.